Hari Om students. Today we will discuss about Chapter 3 Computer Organization. In this chapter, we learn about basics of microprocessor, characteristics of microprocessor, how data can be communicated between CPU and memory, what are the different types of memory devices and types of microprocessors. Okay. First, we will learn about what is computer organization and computer architecture. Computer organization deals with hardware components of a computer system. What are the hardware components? CPU, input-output devices, storage devices, primary memory, that is hard disk, all are hardware components of a system. Okay, and also how the various components of a system are operated. This is named as computer organization, which is similar to computer architecture. But the computer architecture deals with engineering consideration, that is designing purpose. The next concept is basics of microprocessor. The microprocessor is a CPU. It is a major component of a system because it performs all the tasks in a system. Okay. The first microprocessor is introduced in 1970s, named as 4004. It was developed by Intel Corporation. Okay. It is a programmable multi-purpose silicon chip, and also it is driven by clock pulses. This Intel 4004 is a commercial microprocessor. It is a 4-bit processor. It has 4 inputs and 4 output pins. Okay. This is the block diagram of microprocessor. First we give the input to the microprocessor and processing the input, and then give the output, and then store the instructions to the memory for further processing. Okay. And then how the microprocessor interconnecting with other devices. The system bus is a bunch of wires. It is the collection of address bus, data bus and control bus. This system bus serves as a communication channel between microprocessor and other devices. Okay. The first one is ALU, that is a microprocessor. It includes ALU, register, control unit. We already learnt about these devices. First one is the ALU is a arithmetic and logical unit which perform the arithmetic and logical instructions. Okay. Next one is control unit, which control the overall operations of the computer. That is, it control the entire operations of a system. Okay. Next one is register, which is mainly used to store the instructions. Next one is input and output devices, which is mainly used to feed the data and display the information. Memory devices are mainly used to store the information in the memory. Okay. The next one is characteristics of a microprocessor. The main characteristics of microprocessors are clock speed, instruction set, word size. First one is clock speed. Every microprocessor has an internal clock. The main role of the internal clock is regulates the speed of executable instructions. In general, the speed is measured by hertz. The same way, the clock speed is measured in megahertz or gigahertz. In short form, megahertz, mH is it. In gigahertz, GH is it. Okay. Hertz is commonly measured the wave frequencies such as sound waves, light waves, etc. Next one is instruction set. First, what do you mean by instruction? It is a command. That is, we give the instruction to the computer that performs some operations. This is instruction. A set of machine level instructions that a processor is designed to executes, that is named as instruction set. And also the instruction set carries out some operations. What are they? Data transfer, arithmetic and logical operations, flow of control and input and output operations. Okay, the next topic is word size. Word size determines the amount of RAM that can be accessed by a microprocessor at one time and the total number of pins on the microprocessor, which is called word size. And also the processor processed a single instruction is called as word size, that is number of bits per processed. Thank you, students.